Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. And I want to take the time out to thank everybody that has joined the New Wave thus far. I appreciate you guys. You've been posting, sharing a lot of information, and helping other detailers. I really appreciate it. Thanks. All right, so what we have here today is just a simple interior detail, nothing fancy, just a wipe down, some steam, some vacuuming. Inside windows is also included, the door jambs, just quick and easy. And to complete an interior detail, it doesn't take a lot. I mean, you could do it without a steamer. You could do it without an air compressor. All you need is a few towels, some soapy water, some type of APC, a vacuum cleaner. If you do have the money, you can invest in a steamer. Doesn't have to be the biggest steamer out there. Harbor Freight has a decent steamer. You can search on Amazon, you can search online. They have other decent steamers that are around the $150 to $200 range. And trust me, if you got a steamer like this, that's pretty much all you need to complete an interior. As time goes on and your business grows, you can upgrade. Over time, you're gonna gain knowledge. And as more time passes, you're gonna know how to navigate mobile auto detailing with that knowledge. Once you're able to do that, that's when the wisdom kicks in. You're gonna know what works, what doesn't work through your experiences. Now, this looks easy, and over time, it will get easier for you. That comes with wisdom. You know what not to do, what to do. You're gonna know what items that you don't need. You're gonna know what items that you don't have to purchase. This is a business.
Perfect.
See, my experience has shown me that people just won't clean. They can care less how you get there. They just won't clean. So I take that wisdom and I try to get anything I can that can get me to clean, inexpensive ways. I'm not trying to break the bank. I'm running the business. I want to keep every dollar that I can because I got better use for the money. Let's be honest, a lot of you detailers that only buy the high-end stuff, it's because you want it. Really, but that's what it comes down to. It's just because you want it, and you have every right to want what you want and buy what you want to buy. Hey, that's the American way. That's what I love about America. As long as you're not breaking any laws, you do what you want, and it's cool. The only issue I have is when you insinuate or you make other detailers, especially the new detailers, believe that they have to have it. They have to have it or they're not a detailer. They have to have it or you're not going to get good results. That's not true. I did 2 interiors at this location. The customer came out and looked at the vehicle and was very pleased with the first vehicle. She never looked at my van. She never looked at what equipment I was using. She didn't even ask. All she was concerned with was, is her vehicle clean? That's all she cared about. She was happy with the work and decided to allow me to do the second vehicle.
Perfect. Perfect.
I'm willing to bet your favorite detailer didn't start off with all high-end equipment. They didn't start off with Rupes and Makita and Flex. They didn't start off that way. I'm willing to bet any amount of money on that. I mean, you might have found them shopping in Harbor Freight, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Walmart, maybe even the dollar store. I know that's where I started off at. And from time to time, I still go into those places. It's not beneath me.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
So, to you new guys that want to be a mobile detailer, you want to start your business, hey, doesn't take a lot to get started. And if you're one of those guys that like all the fancy high-end stuff, hey, be my guest. Go for it. But you don't have to wait. You can get started today with just a couple of $100. You can start your business and your name can be mentioned with some of the best. Because trust me, the customers don't care about the equipment. All they care about is a clean ride. Thanks for watching. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.